The work and contributions which came out of the process would receive the fullest and most detailed consideration of the Law Reform Commission as the process evolves from the green paper stage to the white paper stage, which then goes to make the law of the land.
Prime Minister Kamla Persad-Bissessar, as she announced last Saturday her government's intervention on the issue of self-governance for Tobago, a new committee to include political scientist Dr. Hamid Ghani and two attorneys including Martin George. But the PM's announcements are not sitting well with THA Chief Secretary Orville London, who is now accusing the Prime Minister of playing cheap and obscene politics. He says the two bills which the Prime Minister has dismissed were the result of years of collaboration, and by her action the PM has sought to impute the integrity of several people including Drs. Eastland Mackenzie, John Prince and Rita Pemberton, whom he says interfaced with the people of Tobago to prepare draft bills which were reviewed by Senior Counsel Russell Martino. Now he says the people of Tobago are being asked to dump 4 years of effort and the views of thousands of Tobagonians.
I just want to put it out there that the Prime Minister's statement is erroneous, misleading and mischievous. And every individual of the thousands of people who would have participated in that process will know that what went to the Prime Minister is not something tainted with any political partisanship. It is the effort of thousands of Tobagonians over a 4-year period.
Mr. London told the CNC3 early morning show that the green paper sent to the Prime Minister was not politically tainted and was the work of a bipartisan committee representative of the views of the people of Tobago. And with all due respect, he says, to Dr. Hamid Ghani, who has been appointed to head the new deliberations, Mr. London says he's now left to wonder what can be achieved outside of what has already been accrued and whether the premise on which the committee was set up may be flawed. For CNC3, I'm Kamal Georges.